Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using QuickBooks Online to manage your business finances, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to pay for your Intuit QuickBooks subscription, step by step, so you can keep your books running smoothly without any billing headaches. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. On the homepage, click on Sign In. You'll see several Intuit products listed. Just choose QuickBooks Online. Now, enter your email and password linked to your account. If you're on a personal or secure device, go ahead and check Remember Me. It'll save you a ton of time next time you log in. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. You'll see a gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click it, and from the drop-down, select Subscriptions and Billing. This is where you can manage everything related to your QuickBooks plan. Inside the billing section, you'll see all your plan details, including your current plan type, renewal date, and the amount due. If your payment method needs an update, click Edit Payment Information and enter your new card or billing details. QuickBooks will securely save your information once you confirm the update. And here's the best part. You can also upgrade, downgrade, or even cancel your subscription directly from this page. So whether your business is growing or you're trimming expenses, you've got full control. Before you exit, make sure to save all your changes. It's super important. Missing that step could interrupt your QuickBooks access, and no one wants that kind of stress during tax season. And that's it. You've successfully managed your QuickBooks payment like a pro. Keeping your subscription active ensures your accounting stays accurate, your invoices go out on time, and your business never skips a beat. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I've got more QuickBooks tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one.